Hi, I'm 𝗁𝗄𝗄 from 𝗪𝗲'𝗿𝗄𝗏, and I'm here today to talk with you about the 10 things that are wrong with the current state of low-code and how we are breaking it. 1. Success costs money. You build an app, users love it, adoption grows, then the bill arrives. Traditional platforms charge more when you succeed. More users, higher costs. Your app doing what it's supposed to do costs more too. 2. You don't own the code? Who owns your application? You've built it. Your team designed it. But you can't export it and run it somewhere else. Most platforms doesn't work. Can you leave? No. You need to rebuild everything from scratch. 3. The math doesn't work. Low code looks affordable at first, then you scale. Premier connectors, per user fees, environments costs. One app becomes expensive, but 30 apps becomes unsustainable. We've seen companies move back to traditional development, high coding, because it was cheaper. 4. Migrations fail. Your apps are trapped in proprietary runtimes. Migrations means complete rebuilding. Once you're in, leaving becomes financially irrational. That's not a partnership. That's a hostage situation. 5. Nobody knows what they're paying. Application objects, credits, points, multipliers, premier connector fees. Companies tell us they're struggling to understand what they're paying for. When you can't predict your costs, you can't plan your business. 6. It doesn't fit your stack. You have Python, .NET, React. The low-code lives on an island? Separate deployments, different developers. You can't integrate with your CI/CD pipeline. You adapt to the low-code instead of the low-code adapting to you. 7. Speed without control. AI generates an app in minutes. Impressive demo. But then you ask, who maintains this? What about security? Where does the data live? No answers. Speed without governance isn't innovation. It's technical depth with a timer. 8. Location isn't sovereignty. A Dutch government chose a Dutch provider, got acquired by a US company overnight. When the Trump administration cuts off the International Court of Justice, they couldn't access their own emails anymore. Geographic location isn't sovereignty. Architecture is. 9. The industry moved forward, but low-code didn't. Software is moving towards openness. Open source is still thriving. Developers own their own code. Low-code, higher walls, more proprietary runtimes, more dependencies. While the industry embraces standards, low-code doubles down on lock-in. 10. Pay to rebuild your own apps. The platform releases a new version. Your apps need rebuilding, screen by screen. While rebuilding, you pay for both platforms. No choice. Support might be ending. You're paying to rebuild your own apps with the same vendor? Want to know more? Reach out and schedule a demo.